Hello guys, hopefully everyone is fine. In this unary operator overloading video, we'll discuss the concept of overloading plus plus. Now guys, we all know plus plus is acting like a pre-increment, it acts like a post-increment also. So how we can overload it, and what if plus plus is applied on both? Like for an example, I'll just write main and I create two objects obj1 and I'm writing 2 and obj2 I'm writing, let's say, 3. I'm writing plus plus obj1 and I'm writing obj2 plus plus, and then I'm just displaying obj1 dot show and obj2 dot show. Now guys, the problem is that we have given plus plus pre-increment and as well as post-increment to object 2 and pre-increment to object 1. Now if I have to overload it, firstly I'll create a class A and I'm just using a data member small a. In public section, we all know there are two parameterized, there is one parameterized constructor with 2 value and another parameterized the same parameterized constructor will having 3 values. So we need a parameterized constructor. I am writing int x. I am writing a is equal to x, right? So 2 value is given to this x, 3 value is given to this x, a value gets 2 and 3 accordingly. Now comes the concept of plus plus and obj2 plus plus. What should I do? Firstly, they are not getting returned to any object, so return type would be void. If I write void operator plus plus over here, right, and I just increment plus plus a and I just write cout a, and I'm writing plus plus a, and in void show I'm writing cout a and I'm closing this class. So guys, which operator function get called? You know, when we are writing plus plus obj1 and we are writing obj2 plus plus, we don't know which operator function will get called, and there will be there will be an error for sure. One of the operator function is missing guys over here. We have a confusion plus plus obj2 plus plus. So what we will do is, to avoid this kind of a scenario, we'll have another operator function. So firstly, let me tell you, plus plus obj1 gets called over here, and it's not that whether I have written plus plus a over here, it's totally not related with that. I can write any value over here. Even I can write a is equal to minus minus a. That is what is the meaning to different operators. They can be worked as per what user decide. It's like this. So it's not that I have written plus plus obj1 or I am writing a is equal to a plus 1 I'm writing over here. So plus plus obj1 will get called this function, and for overloading a post increment operator we always use integer argument in the total argument. It means obj2 plus plus will be overloaded in this way: void operator plus plus, and I'm just putting integer argument over here just to differentiate that, and it's always applicable for post increment operators, right? And I can write any value to it. I can write a is equal to a minus 2, and that is the call for this. So when we will write plus plus obj1, this function gets called, and when we write obj2 plus plus, we call this function. When this function gets called, then it means we have a clear case of post increment operator overloading. So if I have to run this program, it will definitely work. obj1 2 value is assigned to this, so for obj1 your a value is 2, for obj2 your a value is 3. I am writing plus plus obj1, this function gets called, I am writing a is equal to a plus 1. So a value will be a plus 1 for object 1. Object 1 a value was 2, now it becomes 3. Then you are writing obj2 plus plus, you come over here, and over here you have clearly mentioned a is equal to a minus 2. So for object 2 your a value was 3, so you will write 3 minus 1 which is 1, 3 minus 2 which is 1. So over here obj2 value is 1. You are writing obj1 dot show, it will display a value for obj1 which is 3, and you are writing obj2 dot show for a value for obj2 is 1 now, so answer will be 3 and 1. If you like this video, kindly like, share and subscribe. If you have any doubt, put it on comment section, I'll try to answer. Thank you very much for your support.